welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be sharing my desk tour with you guys. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, this is like my desk and we are renovating my room, so soon my new desk is going to come and I'm really excited for that. First, I have this diary of 2021 and I have even shown this in one of my haul video. Then I have this water bottle, so I always keep a water bottle while studying. Then I have these fairy lights, and I love fairy lights a lot. Then I have my pencil case, so I have made a separate video in which I have shown all the stuff that I have in my pencil case. So I'll quickly show the stuff that I have in my pencil case. First, I have these washi tapes, and I love washi tapes a lot. Then I have this highlighter from Cameline, one eraser, and if you want to see that video you can just go and watch it. The link is in the description box. Then I have this pen stand. I bought this from DMart. First I have this unicorn pen. Next I have this cutter, pair of scissors, a uniball white pen, some Pentonic colorful pens, one colorful pencil, and some blue pens from Pentonic. Then I have this marker or sketch pen, one blue ball pen, and Rodito Maxtron pen. Then in this box I have some stuff. First I have this badge, some sticky notes, and I love sticky notes a lot. Then I have this bigger one, sticky notes. So I got this for 55 rupees. Then I have this diary in which I make my to-do list. This Yoga small diary, calculator, some more sticky notes, and some stickers. So for making this box, I have just taken old phone box and I have just wrapped it with gift wrapping paper, and that's it. And it looks so good, so you can also try this. Then I have sticked a rainbow drawing over here. Then I have this small notepad. I bought this from DMart, and I have even shown this in one of my haul video. Then I have another box in which I have kept all my plastic crayons and some sharpeners. Then in this box I have kept some colors and one coin pouch. I have kept some sketch pens from Stick and some washi tapes, some smaller one washi tapes. So yeah. Then I have my scale. So I have used a phone box for keeping all the stuff, and that's all for the upper section. And in this section I just keep my books, copies, and some colors. So first I have these pencil colors from Cameline. Then I have this oil pastel colors and these wax crayons. Then I have kept some random stuff in this box, so let me just show you guys. So in this box I have kept some glitter pens, some quilling stuff, and one black color diary. I have recycled old box, and yeah, then I just keep some of my copies and some of my books over here. So yeah, that's all for this section. Then over here I have just kept some of my more copies. First I have this diary which I use for planning my YouTube videos. So I just write my script. Then this is my mathematics copy in which I just do revision of my mathematics. In this copy I just write my notes. Then this is my maths fair copy and my rough copy. Then I have my exam pad and some white sheets and one dustbin. So yeah, so that's all for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, love you all. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.